my body started aching in December. Then I had a break in January, and now I'm started aching again. And it's very odd aching because sometimes I ache in the places I didn't know exist. And like I feel like somebody beaten me up, and I'm all a big wound. And what could be it be connected to, please?
Well, we're looking as to beliefs. So, but we'll
Mhm.
ask. When you say you broke something. Is that what you said? You broke something in January?
No, no, no. It started my body started aching.
Oh, I see.
I was aching everywhere.
Okay. Oh, just
Heart
everywhere.
palpitation. Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's go ask, getting that connection. So we're asking Creator to give that connection with Tanya, getting good and good and strong. And this guides me again. It's not that it's the magic. I just want to be clear about that. It guides. And this one here, I happen to get in Mexico City. Oh, so, and if you see me yawning, I do that as well. Okay, so now we're going to ask, okay, Creator, getting that connection with Tanya. What could it be? What is the main area as to her pain, her body pain? So is there some beliefs related? So truth, of course, there could be. And I'm asking, what's the priority for Tanya as to, yeah, I'm getting the passion. It's like your passion is, um, yeah. Okay. Now, are you concerned about finances? Tanya, is
Yeah.
that a big
Yes,
concern
could.
for you? Yeah,
Yes.
it's coming up. And of course, we can have, you know, uh, concerns about but it's also related to safety. So let's just see here what's coming up about finances that are actually related to maybe, aches and pains. So, and I'm asking, yeah. So it's like I feel like you're just not appreciated. Like you're just unappreciated. Do you feel unappreciated?
Somewhat, not so much as I used to, but
Okay,
somewhat.
somewhat. Yeah, I'm getting it's not like it's about 40%. I'm getting where you're just
Mm.
feeling, unappreciated. And yeah, and I'm getting that it's not, when I ask this being unappreciated is like, is this yours? Or I think more you've absorbed it. It's not so much that it's yours, but I'm getting more like you absorbed it from your mother's side. Does that make sense?
Yes, could be, yeah.
Yeah, from your mother's side. So when we do this with intention that this will also be for your mother. So let's just for everybody here, perhaps you also, can feel unappreciated and for what you do and what you contribute. And maybe you just don't feel you get paid enough for what you do or not having enough. So let's go ahead and, we're going to ask Creator here, and we're going to ask to please go ahead and anywhere that you're feeling unappreciated for what you do, for what you give, and it's like your muscles here this, oh, I'm unappreciated, your bones, and the cells are hearing, oh, I'm not appreciated for who I am and what I contribute, or that kind of, people depend on me, and whatever that is, where it kind of depletes, it feels like it depletes your energy. And when it depletes your energy, it's like it's depleting your will to, not will to live so much, but just
Mm.
your will, like the strength. So let's go ahead, and we're asking Creator anywhere this could be in your system, in your bones, in the marrow of your bones, within your cells, within your fascia, within your tissues, within your organs and glands and DNA, genetic makeup. And let's ask to clear this again through all timelines, lifetimes, generations of where you're holding on to not being appreciated, and maybe it's just not making enough money, or maybe you can't live within your means, or Perhaps you're picking up others where they grew up poor, so I'm going to be poor. Anywhere that you could be holding on anybody else's programs, just go ahead. We're asking Creator to please to clear. You just want to clear this out of your energetic blueprint. So we're asking to dissolve and clear this out. All the stories out of your energetic blueprint at a cellular level, subcellular, right down to that matter to energy, energy to matter. Shia nanaya bokoya, shalia saya kia, bokoye, anaya ya kai. Shia lakia naya naya waya, shia naya naya. And let's just download and replace all that is that having an abundance, it allows me to help others. Having an abundance allows me to help others. And just strengthening you being strong to being, it's safe for me to have abundance. I choose to have abundance. I'd love having the financial abundance. I'd love the money. I love what the good that comes by having money. I love how it makes me feel. I love the energy of money. My life is abundant. I am worthy of abundant blessings. It's just downloading that for everyone. Life brings me abundant blessings in many forms. And we're asking Creator to please continue working with this abundance. Downloading, downloading, downloading. It's just like if you don't want to think about all the programs that are out in the ethers about abundance. We just want to pull them in. All the positive programs, we just want to pull them in like a vortex into your energy field. Pull them all in. We don't need to identify them. They're out in the ethers. We just want to pull them in at a cellular level and hold it. Let's anchor in this abundant. Let's anchor in these abundance beliefs and download them. Anchor, anchor, anchor. Sheila. Mashokoya. Sakaya tokopusha. Lakia shesai. She lakia nanaya pokoya. Oh, okay. Take a deep breath. Get you back and get grounded for everyone. Getting grounded, grounded. Get back into our bodies. How are you doing, Tanya?
I'm doing better. I think it was probably connected to my previous lives, but
Mm,
I used to have this, blockage in my solar plexus when I think of money, and now I don't have it. And I could feel
cool.
energies moving around my head.
Mm-hmm.
So
Awesome.
I
That
feel
is
more
a
hopeful.
yes.
Good.
Having hope is very important. Is having hope.
Awesome.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so much.
Tanya.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you a lot.